Marine varnish, making a good base for your marine varnish. We were given this lovely old Oregon spar to fix up. It's very old, well over 100 years, and hadn't been looked after for ages. It had been painted rather than coated with marine varnish. Because it's going to be out in the weather, we wanted to make a good base for the marine varnish. First we sanded off the old paint, 80 grit, then 240 grit paper. We used West System epoxy resin mixed with 207 clear hardener. This combination adheres well to the timber and provides a good base for your marine varnish. Be careful to mix the products well according to the instructions. It's worth spending a little time extra on this. Craig then put 4 coats of the mixture and it hardened to a great finish. This provides a great base for the final coat of marine varnish to give some extra UV protection. The spar looks great, good for many more years out in the weather. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and I'll answer them. Thanks for watching.